Life-changing? Life-changing taco?
I heard.
Air One Sushi.
Outside the tree store.
It's good.
How much was this?
$900.
Yeah.
Oh, plus this.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look, this is the...
Even better. Turn towards me. This coat is insane.
The silhouette is so good.
The silhouette, the proportion,
The
texture,
length.
the length.
It's so rare to find something.
This long?
Like, it just hits at the exact.
We did have one more 32.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
There we go. Yep.
Let's go. Turn around.
Wow. These fit super well.
It's not too baggy, you know?
Yeah.
It's like a good, straight line.
Yeah. It looks good with the shoes too. Really good.
Don't let them see this shit, bro.
You're not ready for it. It's like, damn, I need my drink. Touch it. Bro, it's lined too.
You're looking for a beanie, bro. 99% authentic.
I just like don't know what I'd use this back.
Where do you even put that on? Like your leg?
Yeah, like this. Actually, like,
Yeah, I like it. Do you know what size it is?
I think it's a large.
Sorry.
The large.
I think this one's like, it used to have a Shirley one, then
Yeah.
it took it out.
Honestly, I feel like it would fit buns if it had the lining.
Oh, true. It gets too like bulky, right?
That's really nice though. I like the color of it.
It's kind of like Western vibe, no?
But it's honestly not bad price for like a lot of the other things in here.
Yeah, yeah. Also, it's nice to try it on.
Yeah.
More sweatshirt, bro.
Very sick.
I think I already tried it on like DSM, but it was on sale.
Yeah, 40% off. Pretty steep. Pretty big steal. Chat, we glaze them. Pretty good fit, TBH.
Really?
I don't know.
Feels-
Do you
feels
like?
mad.
Do you like a fitted hoodie? This is like.
I actually fuck with the fitted.
Yeah, I feel like it fitted is really, really good. I'd say cop.
No, no shot.
I'd say cop because you got it like that.
I'm not that easy. Not that easy to enable you, bro.
Dude, but the hand feel, proportion.
Yo, low key though. The hand feel.
Yeah, I was about to say this collar. Dude, I'm saying you gotta get on that. The double waistband. You're not jacking it.
I feel it, bro. I love this like studded.
It's super sick. Yeah, I like the
Detail.
full.
You should try these, bro.
Dude, I've never owned any Dries, so
I'm a trees bender right now.
Dries bender. Their fucking backyard though is gorgeous. Insane.
I don't even have
Lemaire. How do you feel in Lemaire? I'm a baka.
Means you should try this one. That's what that means.
Bro. I'm good off the Lemaire. I feel like Lemaire is like such an older person brand.
I guess I'm at that age, bro.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're young. Young uncle.
I'm a young uncle.
Young. Nah, not this. The stacked croissant. Had to ask to leave. Thank you. You must spend at the sale. You must spend.
That's what my demons are telling me.
That's what my demons tell me every night. Also, the Essence sale just started.
I can't even go through Essence. I feel like that's a different sport.
Yeah, that's like you really gotta dig.
You gotta lock in for that, bro.
Yeah. And be very precise on what you want to buy. Loki though, this is so sick.
Bro, ERD, honestly, they make some fire
They make some fire shit. I feel like we gotta stop talking like they don't. I fried because I think these are kind of sick. Also, this is like buying the Boris shampoo and conditioner set is fire.
Bro, I actually need
Yeah, low-key need. Top 10 things to buy your boyfriend for the holiday. I'm like, oh. Oh. Wait, that's pretty fucking awesome.
Is there like any collab graphic or is it just straight?
I think it's just straight this.
Wait, that's not bad, bro.
That's pretty fucking sick. Look on the anime vibes. Whoa.
Ball Pluto, have you seen this?
Yeah,
It's
so
kind of
good.
gas, bro.
Damn, they're getting pretty tasteful. Oh, wait, yo. Wait, this is pretty sick.
Okay.
It's on sale already. This is about to be like $9,000.
Questions while you're looking around, let us know. That still applies.
Oh, not bad.
530.
530.
Not bad.
Bro,
Cop, bro, easy.
single stitch version of this tee. 141, bro. Put on the company card.
Yeah, Martin.
Christmas is coming soon, bro. This is really good though. I really like this.
Yeah, the black one. Oh, fuck.
You slept.
My favorite, bro. This is actually fun.
It's so good. It reminds me of Jiyeon Kim.
Yeah,
The Sun Beach.
those are back shoes. Hold up. First
Still hard,
hard
though.
cop.
You've never owned the shoes?
Never, bro. No, it's too good.
Man, yeah, it's too
Yeah, I'd actually want a bigger size, seeing how that fits on you.
I feel like I need one. I need to swallow.
Yeah, pause.
I need to swallow me.
Supposed to be inspired by the vintage camera bag.
Ah, okay.
The
I
one
can
with
see
the
that.
side pockets and the
Yeah,
lens.
yeah.
Or, you know.
I can definitely see that. That's super sick.
Well, I kind of fuck with this furry one.
Yeah.
Marcello vibe?
Yeah, very much girl ass. Have you ever fallen victim to?
Hell no, bro.
Yeah, I know.
No, shut up. I like that one too.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one Kong? Yeah, the black version. Yo, how much is this, bro?
12. That's light work, though.
This knit is kind of cute, bro.
Look at that. This is like a modern day BOGO. Modern day BOGO for sure. I like the yellow stuff.
I don't like this, like the striations. You know what I mean?
Really?
Yeah, I like it when it's just more solid.
A few moments later.
Oh,
Wow.
but these are like way more expensive than the regular ones.
Yeah, 2021. What is these? I don't even know. Oh, this was crazy good. Sexy.
Gotten in a ton of very special pieces recently and thought I'd go over all of them with a quick little pickups video. First two pieces are from Benjamin Greco, who is a designer based here in New York. He hand makes a ton of really unique leather pieces, mainly accessories, but also some clothing pieces as well. But this first piece is this balloon leather jacket. It's made of 100% Italian lamb leather. That is this perfect mid-weight, and the lining is 100% Cupro. All throughout the jacket there is this gathering detailing that really creates the balloon shape. It's got an oversized, slightly cropped fit with drop shoulders. Also has a two-way Riri zip closure, two side pockets, as well as two interior wall pockets. Yeah, I've been looking for a leather jacket like this for quite a long time now, Most of the leather jackets I come across or have owned are either too structured or too heavy, but because this one is lambskin and it's cut with a rounder and more relaxed shape, it's drapier, it's lighter weight, and it's easier to layer under. By far my favorite leather jacket I've owned. Thank you again, Ben. The second Greco piece is this super long leather belt. This is the extended version of his vertebrae belt. It's constructed of 2 layers of heavy cowhide with this antique silver buckle and gunmetal eyelets and rivets all throughout. So the way this is made, I believe, is the leather is cut with slits, then folded over, and then all of the rivets are hammered individually in by hand. Really love the silver accents and how long it is. Really adds a lot to any look, and the fact that it's handmade by Ben himself just makes it all the more special. Third and last leather piece is this bag from Assembly, which is a store based here in New York. It's made of this smooth calf leather. It's got a zip closure and interior zip pocket, as well as these exterior pockets on each side. This is one of those pieces that isn't super rare or hyped or anything like that, but that I've just been getting non-stop use out of ever since I've gotten it. Durable, low maintenance, and has a ton of storage space. So these next 3 pieces were sent to me by Veilance. Huge thank you to Jack Walker for sending these over to me. Most likely gonna butcher every item name. I apologize for that. But this first piece is the diode insulated jacket, which is essentially a hooded padded jacket with a Gore-Tex exterior. So it's waterproof, windproof, and super warm. Easily one of my favorite and most worn jackets lately. Even for something as simple and clean as this, I've gotten so many compliments wearing it. There's also a ton of satisfying and hidden details. Some of my favorite ones are the stealth adjusters along the hood and the hem, as well as the shape of the interior pocket. This next piece is another insulated jacket. This is the mionn insulated jacket, another one of my favorite and most worn jackets lately. So this one has a stand collar and can be worn either as a middle insulating layer or just as an outer. Really warm and comfortable, and I really like the shape of it. It's not too cropped or boxy, kind of just has a standard, more athletic fit, which for me right now feels very refreshing. I would say there's a bit less going on with this one in terms of details, but again, beautiful construction and clean lines. Last Veilance piece is this monitor coat. Unlike the other ones, this one isn't insulated, so just a hard shell Gore-Tex coat. I would say this is more of a mid-length coat, and I believe this was designed with a relaxed fit, so if you need to, you can easily fit an insulated layer underneath. It has these large pocket flaps that conceal these taped zipper pockets. Also has a 2-way front zip closure and Cobrax snap cuffs. Those have been all of the Veilance pieces. Thank you again to Jack for sending these over. They're insane, and I'm officially Veilance pilled. This is the hooded Mega Bomber from Professor E. As you can see, this is a very oversized bomber jacket. This is actually a size 48, but I'm sure whichever size you go with, it'll be huge. Yeah, this is a legit, proper winter jacket. Super warm and very heavy as well. Has this floral antique feeling quilted lining, 2-way front zip closure, as well as this gathering detail around the shoulders and sleeves, and of course a very large hood. Personally, I really enjoy when Professor E does their take on almost more streetwear style items. I think the combination of a more casual style with their signature looks and details just creates a really interesting result. For pants, I got these Dries Van Noten carpenter denim. Picked these up at the Dries store in LA, and these are basically just a luxury take on the classic single knee carpenter pant. Really enjoy the fit on these. They have a clean and wide fit without being overly baggy. Of course, they have the carpenter pockets at the back, which give you some more storage. Don't really have any workwear style pants anymore, and these fit super nice, so I thought they would be a good addition. These are a pair of jeans from the brand Khaite. These were a good 4 sizes too big for my girlfriend, so I've kind of just been wearing them, and they actually fit really nice. They have this sort of mid-blue dad jean wash to them, as well as distressing details throughout. Yeah, I thought I'd include these since I don't think I've shown a pair of blue jeans on the channel before. And yeah, it's a nice switch up. Those have been all of the new items that I've gotten in recently. Thank you guys for watching as always. And special thank you to those who have supported Ampere so far. It's been such a rewarding and surreal experience seeing you guys get it in hand and wear it. And yeah, we've got a lot of stuff in the works that we're excited to show soon. Till then, love you guys. Take care.